Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little warning video for all of you out there that tend to check if a website is secure before you purchase something or before you go to some website, and maybe you've known or decided to use this feature to know if a website is a good site, that it's okay, that it's not a scam. Well, here's the thing. For a long time, secure websites that, of course, go with HTTPS have been pretty secure, and usually they were mostly the good websites that were actually using this security feature. But now we learned that in the past year, security in these websites, or the security certificates needed to have a secure website, have come down in price so much that even bad guys are using them now. So you may be telling me, well, how do I know if a website is secure or if it's safe or it's okay? And here's the thing. That's where you need to know where you are. That's where you need to know if the site you are in is the good site. And the only way to do that is to really look at the URL and the address bar. So an example here, if I go to a website with the browser, say PayPal, well, PayPal, of course, brings me that green PayPal Inc. US. It says that it's the good certificate verified by VeriSign, that it is PayPal Inc. US, and this is where information is needed. You need to check to make sure you're at the right place, because that means, for example, scammers might do a fake PayPal page and have HTTPS, and you'll say, well, how do I know the difference? Well, the difference is that it won't have paypal.com. It will have some weird address or some weird URL rather than the official paypal.com website. That's why going yourself to a website is the way to actually stay secure. Don't click on links. If you want to do something, go manually. Go to your website manually. You want to do a PayPal transaction, or you're on a website and they're saying there's a PayPal transaction. Well, if you click on that, look to make sure that you're on the right site, that you're in the right place. Once again, scammers are now also secure in many websites. It's creating a huge problem because you might not be at the right place. So knowing where you are is the important thing. Being very aware of where you are, and if you're on a site that you just don't know what it is at all, you don't recognize the URL or the address in there, don't do anything. Don't give in personal information. Don't do any transactions or use credit cards. It is now become a major issue where more than half, according to the latest report, more than half of scam websites actually show up as secure and have that green padlock. And that green padlock, well, all it says and all it means, because you're going to say, well, it's supposed to be secure. That only says that the website you're in has a security certificate and that it's encrypted. It doesn't say anything else. So a scammer website will simply be secure in its traffic, but it's not secure to do a transaction in because it's just a bad site. So more and more you need to check out. You need to make sure that what you do is on the right website and do the transaction only on known websites that you are okay with. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.